Hey, how's it going? So I want to talk to you today about some of the things that we use in our garden and how we utilize them. We reuse a lot of things and have found a bunch of clever uses for a lot of stuff. So let me take you on a little bit of a journey and show you what we've done. Our first stop on our journey is the green beans. These are yard-long asparagus green beans, and we have them attached here with a bed frame screwed up to the wall so that it doesn't fall off. What we have here is these are driveway markers. You get these at the store. They're like 2 for $1. They're made out of fiberglass. They're a really decent way to hold up this fencing material that we had. Here is a raised bed garden box, and you can see another one of these bed frames we're using being put to use holding up our spaghetti squash. What you see here are window screens. We put these up because we had a groundhog problem. So these are a really great alternative. They're metal, pretty heavy duty. We just tacked them right to the side. Over here we have potatoes and tires. So this is a great way to reuse some old tires. Most times you can go to a tire shop and get these things for completely free, and you just throw dirt on them, cover them up, and keep them going. We have these gallon water jugs that we use to feed some of our plants, and so they're really great to put dirt in. And if you find a plant out in the world that you really like, or a vegetable or anything, take a clipping and put it through one of these, and chances are you might have it grow. Over here we have a kiwi, and what we've done is we've taken one of those bathroom vanities that people put behind their toilets or in their bathroom for holding towels and whatnot, and we've attached a piece of lattice to it all the way up. And in front of that we have another one of those bathroom vanities that we're using for a plant stand. This is something a lot of people have. It is a Christmas decoration frame. This is a reindeer. It lights up, stays in your yard, outside, probably moves or something like that. They're great for topiary frames, which are very expensive usually. This is a papasan chair, and usually has a cushion on it. Sometimes sits outside, sometimes sits inside. This one's a little bit beat. But if you notice, there are lots of really nice rigid spots and gaps on this, and it can stand and hold things. Perfect almost for a planter to go underneath. Those are just some of the things that you can use in your garden in order to recycle and do some things like that. Thanks for watching and checking these out with us. If you have any suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Feel free to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell as we upload more videos.